know, Reking TV, views of the people on the road, you see me? What you have to say?
But there, man, I say no, so one link up or some, some whole for interview right now, you see me? Mother Road, you see me? Bad.
Which part we there? We're there half a tree, you see me? Yeah, we're in Jamaica. Hello. Where are you?
So bam, we are gonna continue, we're gonna check in with the no back, I think yeah, man, we do what I done so and them thing. Cool.
Today we're there with
2.9 boss, no?
Alright. If Alkaline and Vybz Kartel to clash right now, who you feel like would win?
Vybz Kartel, man, are the teacher.
And why you say that?
Are the best. Are the best. One Gaza nation.
Alright, DJ, give you a piece, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Scam boys in the life, baby. Write this line, we tell how you feel. Baby girl, this I love you surreal. Keep on pulling like a magnet to steel. That's the way I'm feeling. Write this line, we tell how I feel. Baby girl, this I love you surreal. Keep on pulling like a magnet to steel. That's the way I'm feeling. Remember the days when we never have nothing. We used to yam chicken back, now I curry mutton. 2.9 boss. Not a beer there and loud.
Tell the people where they can find you.
No, check out TikTok, man. Dave Mitchell, man. That's the thing there. You know, 2.9 bar represents the views of the people. You know what I said, me stay so Sunside, Port Maria. Yo, 2.9 bars for the ground. You know the thing already. What I said, me, not a beer, whole works. You know the thing already. See me? Raja be because self, yo, pang, think loud. You know the thing go. 2.9 not enough money. Not talk about no drugs money. Can't talk man no bugs money. I be a pretty girl, man I study. 2.9 not enough money. Not talk about no drugs money. Be a pretty girl, man I study. Keep them not chop line. My money is so refined. 2.9 bars out, girl. Them say me get so much money from. As some of them say me own MoneyGram. As some say me own Western Union. Enough girl ask I want me come from. As Sunside set me straight to Portland, man a scammer. And every girl want 1,000. 2.9 bars out.
2.9, big up yourself, don't drop and dig up yourself. Don't go take coke and freak up your health. Never. Don't make the man lift up your belt if you drop brush off, pick up yourself. Tape. Today we're there with.
I want Javi J here that you don't know. Big up to the world, big up to everybody. They up on my black I eat and I go and build.
Alkaline, this Vybz Kartel, what you have to say about that?
Alkaline a juvenile for Kartel. Everybody know that. Say Kartel run the road and teach you all the way. How to sing, how to approach your music business, how to do all of them things. So, Alka for go sit down. That's my point of view. One Javi J tell him, say for go sit down. Because you're not in a Kartel level.
Alright, give me a piece of Mr. Javi J.
Me a big artist. You hear that one here? Say them off violate. I say them off violate. A murder. Cause the killer them a road we not play now. But push the volley. You hear that?
Yeah, tell the people that where they can find you.
You don't know you can find me up on YouTube. All platforms you can think of my there. So you don't know, a big shout out to you again and share my thing them.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Today we're there with
Dexter.
Another. Alright, don't be extra.
Alright.
Out of Vybz Kartel and Alkaline.
He's the man, the vendetta boss.
Data boss, you never wait till me ask
this is the generation winner right now. Alkaline are the man.
Say, Kartel time done.
Now the same time done, but Alkaline are the man right now.
Alkaline are the street.
Man, we're not the street before me. The drum stick.
So Alkaline is a prince of dancehall?
No, just a lad. Young lad.
Just a young lad.
That's it. We're not label ourselves as the prince and the king. We're just the youngest lad. Like that, isn't it?
Naturally.
Don't go take coke and pick up the
Views of the people, all the people. Stop separate the people and listen to views of the people. Mother Road, Sky God.
Gather Road.
Fall in love with a girl in a high school. Have a perfect smile, her skin smooth. We used to go out on date, everything cool. Then the days when me young and fool. Take her home just to meet my granny. Buy a ring cause she me want marry. She take me home just to meet her daddy. Then me find out she start date with Johnny. Oh, Roxanne, Roxanne, you broke me heart in a Roxanne. Roxanne, Roxanne, you make me cry in a Roxanne. Roxanne, Roxanne, you broke me heart in a Roxanne. Roxanne, Roxanne, you make me cry in a Roxanne.